So here now, this is the weather down in camp. For this week, we getting ready to head out, and this is the weather. We have we fire, we have we monster, and we have we sister, and we have me. Woo! It's cold. This rain wet. So we heading out, leaving the camp there now. After the rain is up and thing, we moving on to explore. See what it have. I know we had to follow the foothills. First time seeing them, but I read about them. But these beetles here, they have these grubs, and the grubs is eat fungus. And the beetle just guide the grubs to the fungus. This thing giving trouble to focus with. Yeah, look at it. First time I actually seeing it playing out. Like, look, it's the two parents, right? The male and the female. Look, one day, one below there. Look how the grubs and them just chowing down on the fungus. They would eat out most of the fungus on this tree. This here, their poop, a day was not so long here. I mean, I've seen theirs, but they're so quick. Is leave before the camera could come on, start filming, or before the camera even face them. Yeah, like he was lying down in this area here, feeding on these palms. The fruit, no, wait, no, he can't feed on the palms because there's no fruit. But yeah, moving along. If you look through there, you can see a mat right there. And this camera ain't picking it up properly. A mat straight in front of me. And he going crawling across there. Yeah. Walking up this hill here and find a random egg on the ground. Don't know what species it is, but it's some species. And we continue heading up. Found these odd berries on the ground. Don't know exactly which tree they come from. There's so much different trees up here. We reach this marshy area. It's just marshy going on for some distance. Thick forest still. And you see no animals. Them somewhere over there. So we reach back to camp there. We walk through the bush. Real walk. Get lost of it. Walk around some more. And then we walk again. So walk on the bush here. We back to camp. We catch some conchs and things for food later. Big ones. Some big ones. A real plenty all about in the water. And that's about it. Gonna relax a bit. Probably things will come around the camp. And yeah, call that judge. This here is a Hoplocrates pompalis, and it was the only creature that came to visit us. It's actually a type of wasp, not an ant. So, as you all know, I'm the Wildlife Master, and until next time, blessings and bless. So, I didn't really have time to film my outro, but I filmed something else that all you might like. Check it out. This banana leaf. And boil the chicken with the pot, consume it in fire, put fire all around. Already pot and everything so black. And cover it and thing. And then we boil it in coconut milk, coconut water, coconut milk and coconut water. We stuff it, seasoning. Put pepper and everything. Fire on top, fire below. Yes. Cut it up. Most all I don't know what this is here. This here? All I go see. All I go see. Right? You get an idea what this is for? Mm-hmm. 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 After we boil the chicken in coconut water and coconut milk and seasoning and spices, we boil it, bury it in fire, take it out, and we barbecue in it. This man, you can say finish barbecue the chicken. Look how he displayed. It's nice and moist barbecue chicken. But this one is easier. Hey, but we day how we cook the thing. We also have our next fire side here. That's for smoke to get rid of the mosquitoes and things. But not bird in the distance. Anyhow. Yeah, so as we dinner day, nice dinner, barbecue chicken. I know roadside chicken, bush chicken. Yeah.